Hello, Chef here. Once again, I'm in one of the kitchens and I've got a recipe that's going to get you going. It's going to get you excited. And pow, you're going to love it. So here we go. Starts with watermelon. I prefer to use a long, super sharp knife. Okay, so once you've got your melon, scoop it up, put it in a stainless steel bowl like this. Okay. Okay, once all the melon is in the bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of cold water. We're going to use the immersion blender. Okay, that baby's looking good. Very, very smooth. That's what I'm looking for. Now the next step is going to be to strain your melon out. Just like this. Oh yeah. Okay, to help pass it through your strainer, a whisk, highly recommended. So easy. That's the thing, you use the right tools, follow the chef's tips, it's gonna get easier and better for you. This right here, garbage. Okay, now I got this beautiful concoction here. Basically it's pure watermelon juice. Back in the mixing vessel. Frozen wild berries, fresh banana, so good. Here we go. A frosty glass. Yeah, I'm gonna drink half now and half later. That's it right there. That's gonna get me going. Wow. God's gift. So good. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Oh yeah, I can feel the effects already.
At the lowest possible price.
Bye.